Welcome to this video tutorial on how to set up the Icom ID-5100A radio. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up your radio for the first time. The ID-5100A is a dual-band mobile radio that can be used for both amateur and commercial purposes. Step 1, Unpacking and Inspection. The first step is to unpack the box and check if all the components are included. The box should contain the ID-5100A radio, the HM207 remote control microphone, the OPC837 separation cable, the MBA2 bracket for the remote control microphone, a DC power cable, a mounting bracket, and the user manual. Once you have ensured that all the components are present, you can proceed to the next step. Step 2, Mounting the radio. The next step is to mount the radio in your vehicle. Find a suitable location for the radio, preferably in a place that is easily accessible while driving. Attach the mounting bracket to the radio and secure it in place using screws or bolts. If you prefer to use it as a base station, is a good choice too. Step 3, Connecting the power cable. The next step is to connect the DC power cable to the radio. The power cable should be connected to a power source that can provide the required voltage and current. Ensure that the power cable is routed away from other wires to prevent interference. If used as a base station, a power supply will be needed. Step 4, Connecting the remote control microphone. The HM207 remote control microphone is used to control the radio. Connect the remote control microphone to the OPC837 separation cable, and then connect the other end of the cable to the radio. Attach the MBA2 bracket to a convenient location in your vehicle and attach the remote control microphone to it. For a base station, a stand for the control head is recommended. Step 5, Turning on the radio. Once all the connections have been made, turn on the radio by pressing the power button. The radio will start up and display the initial setup screen. Follow the instructions on the screen to set up the radio for the first time. Step 6, Setting up the radio. Follow the prompts on the touchscreen display to set up the radio. You will need to enter your call sign, set the time and date, and configure the radio's settings, such as the transmit power and squelch level. Entering your call sign. To enter your call sign, press the menu button on the control head, select the Set Mode option, and then select the My Call Sign option. Next, use the on-screen keyboard to enter your call sign. Once you have entered your call sign, press the OK button to save it. Setting the date and time. To set the date and time, press the menu button, select the Set Mode option, and then select the Clock Adjust option. Use the on-screen prompts to set the current date and time. Once you have entered the correct date and time, press the OK button to save it. Configuring the transmit power. It's important to note that higher power levels will consume more battery or power from the source, so use it with caution. To configure the transmit power, press the menu button, select the Set Mode option, and then select the Power Setting option. The squelch level controls the sensitivity of the receiver, and you should adjust it to the level where you can hear the signals clearly but do not pick up background noise or static. Congratulations! You have successfully set up the Icom ID-5100A radio. You can now use the radio for communication in your vehicle. We hope this video tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. Remember to refer to the user manual for more detailed instructions and always follow proper radio etiquette when transmitting. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.